Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And if you like farmhouse decor, you're in for a treat on this one. Couture came out with so many cool things in their new catalog, and I'm using two of them right here. Life on the Farm and Vintage Tractor. Cool! So anyway, I'm taking all of these out and cutting on the cutting lines and marking on the back what they are. Remember, sticky side of the transfer goes back to the glossy side of the backing. I'm just placing them here, get an idea of what I want to do. And these transfers in this video is all about layers. And Couture has made it so easy to layer it up. Now, I am putting red on the first layer of the barn. And this is candy apple red, but actually it was a little bit too bright for me, so I muted it down and added a little mocha. And I like that much better. And here I'm just squeegee on the paste and taking off the excess. And then you take it off. Ooh, that's just the first layer. Wait till you see the second. What they did is they put registration marks on the transfer, which of course I forgot on the barn. So I had to go back after it dried and put them on there. I would suggest you do it in white. On the black chalkboard, it shows up better and it's easier to find from the transfer. And here I'm doing the first layer of the tractor. So far it's cool, right? Again, wait till the second layer comes on here. The windmill, I did that in mocha. And then the second layer I did in fresh linen, which is the second layer on all of these three pieces. Just squeegee on and take off the excess and peel the transfer. Be sure and wash your transfer front and back and let it dry sticky side up. Now the barn, see, I did the second, isn't that cool? I did that off camera. I didn't realize I didn't have the camera running. And now I'm going to show you what I did off camera. First of all, you want to fuzz your transfer over and over on a t-shirt or on a terry cloth towel. And be sure you let it dry. And then after the paste is dried, I put a little bit of wax on there that you saw me do with the t-shirt and then buffed it out. And then your second layer goes on like a dream. At least it works really good for me. So here I'm doing the fresh linen on the second layer. And you know what else is on this trailer on the back of the tractor? The vintage truck add-ons will fit on that. Yay! Okay, here I'm just doing a dab of I think it's fresh linen and what is now called Storm, which for me it was elephant gray. It was the older color. I just circled around with my finger on there and then took the squeegee and squeegeed it off. I loved it on the farm, but the font on Life On, I just didn't like the two-toned on that one. So because it's chalk, you can take it off and redo it. So I did in fresh linen. Now here is one of those add-ons from the truck add-ons. And this is just a hay that I use marigold and put a little mocha. Next time I probably do it just reverse so it's not so bright. Just think of the possibilities. Christmas, all the holidays. Cool.